All right, YouTube 116 Falconer. Today we're going to be testing out the Saramonic RX9 receiver and the TX9 transmitter. We're out here to the Chattacoin River Walk. Never been here. It's new this year. Gonna mic up the granddaughter, and I'm gonna stay at the head of the trail here, and then she's gonna skate down until I don't have contact with her anymore. And then she's gonna stop, and then I'm gonna pace it off and see the distance at how far. Now granted, it's pretty much open, but you got a lot of power lines around here and stuff. I've used this a couple times myself, and I was very impressed with it, but of course that's with me being mic'd up and running the camera, you know, so I'm right there. But we'll check this out and see how well it does in this situation. All right, I'm gonna get the GoPro on her head, get her mic'd up, and we'll get on with the thing. And you start skating, and then when I can't hear you anymore, I yell and you stop.
Okay.
All right, so
It gets a little bit windy sometimes, and roller skating is really hard to do. And when you roller skate, you need to be super duper like calm. Put your hands out and make sure you have knee pads, elbow pads, and hand pads, because if you fall, you will probably won't like it. Yeah. So I love roller skating. My friend my grandpa's coming. It's super beautiful over here. I think it stops down there.
yeah, well, your microphone is upside down. Let's see here. We gotta hook this up better.
There's a bug on you.
No, it's gonna have to do, I guess. So that was 95 paces. So I got about a 30-inch pace. So we'll figure it out. And that's when you started breaking up about here. So.
You did? I don't think I can make it up that hill. Now we're going across the spooky bridge. Seriously, a hill.
All right, go on. Here, hold Grandpa's hand. Since you're going to be a chicken. All right, start narrating your video.
So, guys, there's another bridge coming up. He forgot to start recording. So sorry about that, guys. My grandpa forgets to start recording. And right now I'm kind of going fast, but I want to see what's across. Oh, here's a breeze. So be careful on this pavement. That way or this way? Up the bridge, I guess. The bridge again. I think he pressed play. I think he pressed a chord. Yeah. Oh, I broke my arm before, and I jumped on the trampoline. I was playing popcorn with my mom, and then when I fell down and I popped, I fell on it the wrong way. And then I had 2 pins and 10 stitches. My growth plate popped out of place. And then the bone on top of it broke. It was fun. It's really tiring, you know, Papa. Hi.
All right, let's go. Come on. We got things to do. Place to go. People to see.
This is tiring. You don't know how tiring it is. We still haven't went past the bridge. Huh?
We have to
Yeah. Oh, at school one day, I went to pick up my desk. Ouch. Owie.
What are you?
I fell.
I see that, honey. Kiddo. All right.
I fell.
Oh. Here.
Ouch.
Well, good thing you had your knee pads on. Because you fell on your butt. All right. Let's see here. Here, hold Grandpa's hand. No, don't take that off. Don't take that off. Ready?
Ow.
All right, now, wait. You're killing me. All right, now this is what you want to do. Well, the transmitter survived. How's the battery look on it? Still full charge. All right. Let's see here. All right, talk.
Hello?
All right, so now just push off with 1 foot. You're not ready for the 2-foot push yet.
Ow. Just fell down and that hurt.